Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news inflation is high in the US and Europe, but growth is leaking away in China. China's official PMIs remained in a stall in October. The factory survey showed retreating conditions and marginally weaker than for September. Their services sector is still expanding, but this was a small downgrade too. Overall, it's a bit of a sorry story. Hampered by high costs, energy shortages, a resurgent pandemic in some northern provinces, and a difficult transition to cleaner operating conditions. It is a clear momentum downgrade there. In contrast, in Japan, consumer confidence rose again in October, continuing its recovery, even if it isn't quite back yet to pre-pandemic levels. And Japan voted in national elections over the weekend, and the ruling party looks like it will win again, but with a reduced majority. Also slightly less than expected was the Taiwanese third quarter economic expansion. However, strong investment levels probably mean this will improve well from here, and rate hikes are less than a year away there now. In the US, the inflation number the Fed watches was out over the weekend, core PCE, and that came in unchanged from August at 3.6% and well above its policy target, but still below the headline CPI of 5.4%. Of equal interest was that personal income retreated quite sharply in September as pandemic support was withdrawn. However, personal expenditure rose a modest amount, and that was an unexpected surprise when it rose in these sorts of circumstances. Annual consumer inflation in the Eurozone jumped to 4.1% in October from 3.4% in September, and higher than the market forecast of 3.7%. There, it's all about energy costs. In Australia, retail sales rose in September, but it's hard to know what to make of the data given the pandemic effects. But most analysts saw it as encouraging. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.56%. That's down 8 basis points in a week. And the price of gold will start the week at $1,784 an ounce, and that's $10 below the week ago price. And oil prices are up by another 50 US cents to just under $83.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $84.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today just under 71.7 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, with little change at 95.3 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're firmer at 62.1 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today marginally firmer from this time on Saturday at just under 75.3 and still well over the top of the 72 to 74 range of the past 11 months. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.